This guide helps you pick the right bracket size for strong, clean support. You'll get clear steps, tips, and example calculations. Before starting, review the sizing chart and double-check your framing and overhang measurements. Bracket sizing. Bracket size, overall length, A. Countertop overhang. Determine the depth of your countertop overhang, measured from the front of your knee wall or pony wall. Bracket setback. To ensure invisible, strong support, your bracket should extend to within 3 to 4 inches of the outer edge of your countertop. Depth of your knee or pony wall framing. Measure how deep your knee or pony wall is. Standard lumber construction is typically 4 to 6 inches deep. Practical example. Let's say your countertop overhang is 15 inches and your wall framing is 4 inches. The formula is the following. To calculate the bracket size, just add the overhang and the framing depth, then subtract a 3-inch setback from the edge. So, 15 plus 4 minus 3. That gives you 16 inches. Select your bracket size. Choose the closest bracket length from our available sizes that meets or exceeds this number. Knowing how many brackets you need is key to a safe and stable installation. This step outlines the recommended spacing and placement for optimal support. Place end brackets. Install one bracket 4 to 6 inches in from each end of your countertop. This accounts for 8 to 12 inches of total width. Measure remaining width. Subtract the width covered by the end brackets from your total countertop width. Calculate additional brackets. Divide the remaining width by your desired spacing. For example, 16 inches for standard support, 24 inches for lighter duty or tighter spacing. Always round up. Total brackets. Add the 2 end brackets to your calculated additional brackets. Practical example. An 84-inch countertop with brackets 4 inches from each end leaves 76 inches for additional bracket placement. Total brackets is equal to 2 end brackets plus the result of dividing the usable countertop span by the desired spacing. The usable span is calculated by subtracting the space occupied by the end brackets from the total countertop width. Let's put the formula into action. Start with 2 end brackets. The countertop is 84 inches wide, and we've set the end brackets 4 inches in from each side, so we subtract 8 inches, leaving us with 76 inches of usable space. Divide that by the 16-inch spacing and you get 4.75. Round up to 5 and add the 2 end brackets. That gives you a total of 7 brackets. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out through any of our support channels. We're here to help make your installation a success.